We're shipping out at 5 a.m., brother. Look at that QR code. Brother Brian.
Hey, that's a spicy one.
Oh, he's stealing.
Morning, cutie.
What's up, dog?
Woo.
Oh, it's a spice?
Snitch?
Hella hard.
It's like, damn. Dropping dime?
Damn, bro.
Transformer.
Hello, Wisconsin. Stick the trailer like right up against whatever.
Yeah, you should.
And a bunch of hoo-has.
My car breaks, I'm gonna go lay down in the middle of the track and George is gonna run me over.
Perfect. Oh. 5 a.m. Oh, a quick little detail.
I do have an important announcement to make.
Okay, what's the announcement?
This is a very important announcement.
Okay.
This should be like the only announcement that we should ever make. And I'm making this to my fellow viewers. Pow!
Yep.
Okay. That's
Yeah.
all I got.
What out? Oh, we're shipping out at 5 a.m., brother.
Oh, dickhead, load up.
She. Yay. Look at that QR code. Holy. Hey, look, it's Jeffrey.
I can still see it.
Made it. Here we are, Irwindale. Just kidding. I'm gonna go get something to eat.
It's early morning. Brother Brian.
Daniel, Jeffrey, Christopher, Brian,
George.
George. That's
Look at some white ass names, fool. Look at George. He's trying to find a pizza or what?
Yo.
So those look like ass.
Look like what I dropped this morning.
Brian, spicy. Hey, that's a spicy one.
Oh, wow, look at this. Pancake sandwich. Pancake sandwich.
Pancake. Pancake.
Blunted out.
Oh, he's stealing. He's stealing.
Hey, you're looking for the bathroom, you said? You see the plane that says restrooms?
Gotta start off the day right.
Shoo.
Morning, cutie.
What's up, dog? You ready?
Oh yeah. Oh, look at his shorts.
I know, he looks cute, right?
He looked really cute this morning. How do I look? Nice.
You got some Nissans in there or what?
Yeah, totally.
All right,
Put
cool.
a new badge on there and everything.
Yeah. This fool's arm, he's broken, dude, literally.
You say that as I'm like,
Oh, look.
up here. And
Look.
My sling's in there.
Myself right here.
Ah.
Whatever.
I gotta put my sling
That's
on.
what happens when you get past 40.
Yeah, 100%.
wanted my sandwich and I can't.
Oh, it's a spicy sound. See, hey, I actually have it on footage.
Hey, that's a spicy one.
Jeffrey said that, but I don't think you heard him.
This is not what I had in mind.
Is it really spicy?
Yeah, I didn't think it would be that bad.
Oh,
Oh, where's this meatball?
you got that thing on you, Brian?
Pack it. Careful, it's loaded.
You gotta have a 40-footer or a double stacker to hang out with these guys, huh?
Hey, John, how long is your rig?
Belly on it.
48 feet.
40. Oh, he's got you by 8 feet, brother.
4 feet.
Oh, 4 feet, 4 feet. No, I was telling you, gotta have 40-foot plus or a double decker to ride with this mother over here.
We're all a bad influence on each
Yeah.
We really are.
other.
Look what I got.
I know. I just sold my Can-Am. My boy Joe bought a rock crawler. I'm like, I'm gonna get one. Yeah, and you me out. Nina comes around. He's like, oh, he's already looking to buy something. Like, you snitch.
Hella hard.
It's like, damn.
Dropping dime?
Hey, you signed up for this.
I actually didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Where is it? I want to see the contract.
Oh, no contract,
I
sorry.
want to start
You're a
getting
free
paid.
agent.
YouTube.
Yeah, me too. This motherfucker slept the entire way here.
You sound jealous.
I am kind of low key. I'm just gonna keep driving. You think it's gonna work? Yeah.
Hi.
Hello. Oh.
Hi.
Any of your tickets? That one was already scanned.
Maybe that one. Because he has the same ones up front. All right, one more right there.
Cool.
Hey. Yep.
Thank you.
Maybe down there just so they can scan my tickets and tell me to turn it on.
Oh, perfect. Yo. Remember when those were like for real, like the hot shit?
What do you mean, brother? They still are. Like those flames right there. Cali people.
Yeah, they came out early too, huh?
Is Fresh Upgrade coming?
No.
Nah, we're on time, dog.
Ooh, GTR.
Wow, fool, look at the GTRs, damn.
Yeah, it's mine.
That's yours? Oh, you shipped it down here?
Yeah, I parked it there yesterday.
Oh, damn.
Look at the little checklist of
Damn, bro.
Transformer.
Hello, Wisconsin!
Son of a B words.
Look at George's telling everyone to move.
That's good.
Well, we made it.
Ta-da.
Irwindale. George is like always like this when we get to events. He doesn't want to film.
No, no. Arms on fire. Should we stick the trailer like right up against whatever?
Yeah,
the hell
you
this
should.
is? Yeah.
Hey, look, we're wearing all the same shirts.
If we can put the trailer more this way, we can put the cars in
Well,
front.
why don't we just move this thing?
Oh, sure. Let me just drive the forklift while we're
Yeah,
at
I mean, we can.
it. I don't have my forklift key.
I,
See? Guy Tony over here. NissFest has accommodated us. Look at this giant paddock for us. Right here. Bang, bang.
I think we should move that forklift. Look at he got the khakis with the gum bottoms.
With the hoo-ha's, and a bunch of hoo-ha's.
Push down, fool.
I'm doing that.
Did you bring both of them?
Now the other one I gotta replace the clutch or something.
Oh yeah. So is this the pro car or is this your practice car?
This is the pro car.
The pro car.
Yeah. It's good, getting more seat time in it.
Yeah. He's gonna wake everyone up right now.
Oh, we gotta move this.
Clear prop! America! Well, everybody's up now. Sick ass fool. What happened?
I ain't part of this weekly George.
Oh no?
What you mean, you people?
All right. I'm gonna make sure. This gets in the vlog, dog.
Saw you creeping on the highway.
You have to be really cool to get lights like these.
You have to have a Walmart account.
Damn! Hey, the car actually looks good, dude.
Yeah, come on, your yard.
Well, it's good from far, but far from good. We missed you guys twice.
Yeah, I was just playing hard to get. I wanted you to chase me.
What's cracking, Doug?
Nothing, dude.
You ready for today?
My car breaks. I'm gonna go lay down in the middle of the track, and George is gonna run me over.
Perfect.
So.
First ride along of the day. How is it out there?
Hot.
Hot as
Very hot.